Okay, and we're back. Okay, so you said the problem 50 times 3, and you said the answer was 150. Can you explain to me how you thought that?
Well, 50 times 3. If you multiply 5 times 3, which is 15, and add the 0 back on, it's 150.
Okay, can you explain how you did that? How did you know to add the 0?
Well, first I took off 1 0 from the 50, and I took off the 0 from the 50, then just multiplied 5 times 3, and then added the 0 back on.
And math is not her strong suit, by the way.
That's fine. I'm just here to see how she thinks.
You think? Oh, sorry. Go
Okay.
ahead.
Okay. What is 2 times 70?
Can I use the paper?
We'll just try to think of it in your head.
7 times 2 is 14. 700 times 2.
2 times 70.
140.
Okay, can you explain how you did that?
I took off the 0 from the 70. 7 times 2, or 7 plus 2 is 14, and add the 0 back on.
Okay. Okay, how about 24 times 10? You can talk it out loud. You don't have to think about it first.
24 10 times. 2,400.
Okay, how did you get that?
What I did was, you said 24 times 10. I had 24 plus 10 times, which was kind of easy.
Okay, how about 21 times 40?
$21 times 40?
Yep.
That I don't know. I would have to do it on paper.
Can you just think about it?
21 times 40?
Yes.
$80.
Okay, how did you get that?
Well, I could picture it on my head,
Mm-hmm.
and I could imagine the 40 times 21, and then 0 times 1 is 0, and 4 times 2 is 8. And I got 80.
Okay. How about 21 times 20?
40.
Okay, can you explain to me how you got that?
1 times 0 is 0, and 2 times 2 is 4.
I have to be contacted for a telephone interview?
Okay, now you can use the paper. We're going to do the same problems. We're going to start with 50 times 3.
Okay, this says am I covered by health insurance? No, I put yes.
Yeah. Oh, he wants to know the policy number and stuff.
Yeah. Okay.
What'd you get?
And it'll be
150.
replaced, right?
Okay,
With the
and
new
can you
coverage
explain to
for
me
that.
how you did that?
It's
3
gonna be
times
ending
0
as a 12
is 0.
That's why.
5 times 3 is 15.
Well, it doesn't ask why.
Okay.
Okay. How did you know to do that?
Well, it wouldn't work. I would have gotten the 2 zeros because there's nothing here. So I would end up having to take the number that's here and multiply it by there.
Okay. Okay, how about 2 times 70?
Okay, come here for a minute. I have to decipher this crap. Group or individual number. And then it wants a certificate of policy number.
140.
Can you explain to me how you got that?
I would say so.
0 times 2 is 0.
Right.
And since there's nothing here, I would have gotten another 0. So I'd have to take 7 times 2. And that equals 14. So I got 140.
What do you mean if there was nothing there, then you would have...
Because it's nothing, and 7 times 0, would be 4. But since there's nothing, that would end up still being a 0, so... And you wouldn't want 2 zeros, so you'd have to take 7 times 2.
Okay. How about 24 times 10?
I can answer one.
That's an easy fix.
Oh,
It's okay.
You gotta check there, you know, if there's anything you guys saw.
Yeah, I need to do that.
The button, whatever, so make sure.
Okay, well, it's like this is estimated monthly.
200.
Quoted by agent, I'm just gonna leave it at
Okay,
that
how did
one.
you get that?
Yeah.
4 times 0 is 0. 2 times 0 is 0, and 2 times 1 is 2.
Can you say that one more time?
4 times 0 is 0.
Mm-hmm.
2 times 4 is 0. 2 times 1 is 2.
So how did... You said you first multiplied.
I first multiplied the 4 times 0,
Okay.
which equals 0. Then I had the 2 times 0, which is diagonal, equals 0. And then 2 times 1 is 2.
Okay.
200.
What are you taking in school, sweetie?
She's not listening to you.
Oh, sorry.
That's okay, what are you taking up in
It's-
school?
It's elementary math.
Wow. So
Okay.
you wanna be a school teacher?
Yes.
Cool.
You're crazy.
Okay, how
Yes,
about...
she's crazy.
How about 21 times 40?
21
The
times
number
4.
of years I smoked, but is it off and on? Like 16?
Well, if it's been off and on, then just guesstimate how many years altogether, maybe.
800.
Okay, can you explain to me how you got that?
1 times 0 is 0. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 4 is 8.
Okay, and how about 21 times 20?
What skydive?
The risk.
Yeah.
400.
Okay, can you explain to me how you got that?
1 times 0 is 0. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 2 is 4.
Okay. Okay, we're going to move on to the next problem. Okay, suppose you had a $10 bill and you wanted to cash it in for dollars. How many dollars could you get for a $10 bill?
Well, like this one's just
Um,
a normal country bill.
I wanted to put them in for just regular $1.
Yeah, you
I
had.
would get 10 $1.
In the past 10
How did you know that?
Well,
I've had a bad back in the past 2 years. It's been a long
if you have,
I know, honey, you had that
no,
surgery.
first,
No, so that was just